Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video let's learn about how to work with worksheets. So worksheets in the sense how we are insert, delete and rename the sheet or a tab, and how to copy a sheet from one Excel to another Excel, and how we can copy the same sheet within the same Excel, and how to color the Excel. So color the Excel. Okay, so let's jump into our video. So first, we are trying to insert a new Excel. So what can we do? We can right click this tab and we have an option called insert. So once you click on this insert, we have this option where we have to select worksheet. As soon as I click on OK button, observe here, the worksheet will get added to the left of the selected worksheet. See, so it get added to the left. So what if I give this plus sign? The plus sign is also insert the worksheet, but it will helps you to add it on your right of the selected sheet. If I click plus, see, it is getting added on your right, not to your left. Use insert button, insert option, it will add the Excel sheet or the worksheet on your left, and if you use this plus sign it will add it on your right. So that was the difference here. So how can we rename? Just right click and rename it as new worksheet. And how to delete this? Same way, just right click and we have the option called delete. So this is how we are inserting, deleting and renaming a worksheet or a tab in an whole Excel sheet. So now the second one is copy a sheet from one Excel to another. Now I want to copy this sheet and I want to copy it into the another different Excel sheet, not with the same. So how can I achieve that? Right click the option. We have an option called move or copy. So once you click on that, a pop-up will get appear where we have two selectors. So first one is to select in which workbook we have to copy this. So now what I want it to copy it in the different workbook. So I'll give this drop down and I'll give the option new book, and I'll check this checkbox create a copy. Once I click on this, click OK, a new workbook 1 will get created, and this sheet got copied from the previous workbook. So as you can see, I'm minimizing this. See, so all about Excel is also having this workbook, and the book 1 is also having the same workbook. So this is how we are copying from one Excel sheet to another Excel sheet. I'll close this sheet. And the second one is copy the sheet within this Excel. So how we can copy? Similarly, right click, move or copy. So here again we have two selectors, two book. I'm selecting all about Excel. So I want the sheet to be copied within this Excel sheet. And here we have the options. So for before which sheet I want this sheet to be copied. So if I give move to the end, it will copied after that sheet 3. If I want it to be in this worksheet, this sheet will be copied before the worksheet. And I'll click on create a copy. OK button. As you can see, the worksheet has been copied, like duplicate worksheets has appeared, as as Excel sheet will not allow same names in the tabs, it has marked as 2. So this is how we are copying the Excel sheet within the same workbook. So if I want to delete it, right click and yeah. Now I don't want to copy the Excel sheet. I just directly want to cut this Excel sheet. So how will I cut this Excel sheet? So again, right click, move or copy. So here I want to cut it into a different Excel sheet. Again, I'm selecting new book. So instead of checking this create a copy checkbox, I'm unchecking this. I'm not checking this checkbox. So if I check this means I'm creating a copy. If I'm not checking means I'm directly cutting the tab. So click on OK button. As you can see, book 2 has been created with a cut worksheet. We'll go and see in all about Excel sheet. So here you can see the worksheet tab has been cut and it has been moved to the new worksheet. So this is how we have to cut the worksheet. Now, how will we color the worksheet? We have the option called tab color. Once you click on this, click on any color, like whatever color we want to visibilize. It will be very helpful if you have a multiple of tabs. For say if you have 20 tabs and all, it is very difficult for you to navigate and to identify, basically to identify the tabs. So for that we can use this color option. It will be very helpful to identify the tabs. Next one is hide. How can we hide the Excel sheet? So previously we have a custom views, right? Custom view is basically like how to how we want to present the Excel sheet to our manager or to ourselves or to our client. Similarly, in custom view, we can use the same option like hide, where we can hide the few Excel sheets, like not the Excel sheet, hide the few tabs where it is not needed for presentations. So just right click and we have the option called hide. So once you click on hide, the tab will get hide. If you want to unhide the tab, again right click any of the tab and click on unhide. You will get a pop-up here. So why this pop-up is like if we have multiple tabs hidden. So I just want one or two tabs which I want to show. So in that case, we can select which tab we want to unhide. So for that only we are getting this options drop down. So I'm selecting sheet 4. By default it is sheet 4. So we'll click on OK button. You can see sheet 4 has been unhide. So this is how we are working with hide options. So this is about this today's video. I think you have learned it something new here. As you can see, we have a lot of unknown options available in our Excel. So many of them are not aware. So in our channel, we are going to explore more about Excel sheet. Maybe it will be a small items, but still they are a small things can make big changes, right? So that's why we are learning it from every nook and corner of this Excel sheet. So that's it for the today's video. Thank you for watching.